Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining us today on Moxie Monday. We have a pretty quick topic today, but it is important because it does have to do with our logos and how our websites are branded. So if somebody could go ahead and drop me a chat and let me know that you can hear me and see my screen, we'll jump right in. All right, wonderful. Thank you guys. Thanks, Sharon. Thanks, Mercedes. So because of the migration that occurred in early March, we do know that we now have to go into CB Desk to get into Moxie. So you want to go ahead and log into My CB Desk, find your MoxiWorks tile. Keep in mind, it may not be right up here at top because these can be in a different order. If you want to resort how your tiles look, you have that option right here where it says custom sort. You can sort by any of these options. I myself like the custom because then you can drop and drag your tiles in the order that you want them. So I do have my MoxiWorks here front row center just because I do use it a lot. You also have the opportunity in the chat box to start typing in MoxiWorks, and it does come up right here under the apps. So you can launch into it either way that you want to from there. Once we're launched into our Moxie sites, and keep in mind, none of this data is able to be updated now in Moxie. It does all have to be done via our back-end programs. Account Tech feeds Dash, which feeds Moxie. Don't have to worry about that. If you're an agent, just go ahead and see your ASC or your RSC, and they can help get that updated for you. Because prior to the migration, we knew we could do it. Now, when you click that pencil, you'll have no option to edit. So if you are seeing something, an incorrect phone number or your bio is missing, just get with your ASC or RSC and they can get that loaded for you. What options you do have, though, is for your logo. So we're going to jump into my website. So while that loads, we're going to go ahead and go to the main website here of the account that we're in. So you can see right here, it says brokerage logo, and it's a broken link. That is where the logo should be showing, but it is not working. So that's what we need to correct. The steps that we're about to show you also gives you the opportunity, if you are a global luxury specialist, that you can go ahead and choose the global luxury logo as opposed to the regular blue residential Coldwell Banker Star logo. So going back now, we are in the website admin tool. So again, from our Moxie platform, we clicked on My Website. It launched us into a secondary tab here. And this is where we are able to change that logo. Particularly if your logo is broken, you'll need to do this step. It not necessarily is it broken though. Some of the websites migrated without this causing an issue. The other issue that you may see on your website is if it only has the Coldwell Banker logo without your DBA. So it's just Coldwell Banker. It doesn't say Sunstar or Schmidt Realtors or Schmidt Family of Companies or Paradise or Premier or whatever your DBA is. So that is also how you can update that logo here. So back into our website admin tool, we're going to go all the way to the left where it says Appearance, and we're going to click on Header. If you have the default header here, your logo should automatically come through with your correct DBA. But if you were with us prior to the migration in early March and you have one of these four options chose, you do need to come into here. And again, we're in Appearance and Header and choose your logo. So you have the light background logo with the framed icon, or you have the dark background logo with the monogram option. So when you click on that, you'll need to come down and click Publish. Once that is done, and you refresh your website, you'll see how that logo is now corrected. It's no longer just the broken link. It has the correct logo. It has the correct DBA. So again, if you have a broken logo on your Moxie site, or if you have a standard Coldwell Banker logo without your DBA, this is how you can correct that. And again, we are in My Website. We are over where it says Appearance, and we're where it says Header. You can choose any of these options if you want. You can choose the default if you want as well. But then this is where you would want to go to step 3 and choose your correct DBA logo. If you don't see the correct DBA logo, reach out to us. We'll be able to help with that with the help desk, because these do flow through that backend program as well. But keep in mind, after you choose your logo option, whether it's the light background or dark background, you do need to click Publish. That will allow it to go to your website. Now, if you are a Coldwell Banker Global Luxury Specialist and you want to use the Global Luxury logo, over on appearance, you want to go to layout and colors. And at the very top here, you would choose Coldwell Banker Global Luxury. Once you choose that option, again, you do need to click publish. That will change your logo over to the Coldwell Banker Global Luxury option. So again, Moxie, my website, appearance. To change the logo, you want to go to header, choose the logo and click publish. If you want to choose the Global Luxury logo option, layout colors, Coldwell Banker Global Luxury, and publish. And that's the topic we had for you today from MoxiMonday. Again, it's a pretty quick fix, but it is something that we did want to point out because via the migration, we did have some of those logos, just like the Costanza Group that was broken. This is how you can go into the steps to correct it. Again, if you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to us or head over to your ASC or RSC and they can help you update that information as well. We'll give it just another moment to see if any questions do come in. Keep in mind, we do record all of these in our playlist on schmidtvideoclassroom.com. Head over to the MoxiMonday playlist and you'll see all of the trainings that we've had since we launched Moxie. No more questions are coming in, so I appreciate your
question.
Oh, yes, go ahead.
So when we did the training on Friday, we touched base with Darwin Cloud.
Yes.
Are we going to be able to update our agent's info through Darwin Cloud as well as we did Account Tech? Are those the same?
Yes, those are the same.
Okay.
Anything
That's what I thought. I just wanted to make sure.
Yep, correct. Exactly the same. Now, the cloud does sometimes a little quirky with the submission. So if you're having any problems and you're in it and you need to make a change right away, jump over to Citrix and you'll be able to submit that through. But moving forward, all of those glitches will kind of work out and you'll only be using Darwin Cloud.
Beautiful.
All right, great. Thanks everyone for your time today. Certainly appreciate it. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Bye now.